Hey folks, Ren, Bikes and Travels. I'm out of puff already. I'm putting the back wheel back onto the 250. And I'm going to take a piece of advice that I received off the website, off a comment from Ian Soady, regarding when you're putting the back wheel back on, put a smaller bar, bolt, length of steel or whatever you've got through the wheels where the wheel spindle would go. And that way that'll act as a guide for when you're actually putting the wheel spindle itself in. Now I've never done this before, so I've no idea what's going to happen. So let's see what happens. I think there'll be some fast forwarding involved here. One metal bar, it's actually an old screwdriver. We'll probably do with a clean before I put it in, because I don't want any grit in the wheel spindle, where the wheel spindle goes, so I'll give this a quick wipe down. So the next stage is to see if I can put it all through everything. Yeah! Okay, now it's time to clean the wheel spindle, put some grease on it. Now, the idea is I push the old screwdriver, the length of steel, out as I push this in. Let's see how that goes. Well, it's a good start. Job done. Top tip here.